Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you yet an amazing recipe, that's Rajgira beetroot brownies. So let's get started. All you need to do is in a bowl add beetroot puree. The puree I made like a day before making this recipe. Then I added my brown sugar. After adding the brown sugar, I added my cocoa powder. Then I added bananas and give it a really good mix till it becomes light and creamy. Also, don't forget to like and share and subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram. All the links are mentioned in the description. Now I've added 2 tablespoons of melted butter and then I've added melted chocolate and give it again a really good mix. Make sure that all the ingredients have been mixed really well. The batter will become little thicker. Then I added my Rajgira flour along with baking powder and then I mixed it very well. I added some chopped walnuts. Half walnuts I added inside the batter and few I left it while pouring it in the cake tin for the top so that the brownies look really good. So here I've taken a normal 4-inch cake tin and then I've added my brownie batter. Make sure that you spread it evenly well so that the brownie comes out in like one level. I've topped it up with walnuts and then I baked it for like 180 degrees for 35 minutes. You can take the toothpick to check if it's done and see how beautiful they have turned out to be. Make sure you cool it before cutting it into slices and hope you enjoy this recipe.